Amo, you see that water where they did. Now what do they get what they do? The power. I invoke the power. The power. The power. I mean, no one swim. This is what we call River Benue. Oh, now river. I beg a river. As you see, I just play there like this. My room there like this. So. Hey, for sure. Olive, you go. They want to use it for the gods. The gods are angry. The gods are angry. Uraigba. So, my brother, what's your name?
My name.
Yeah. Okay. So, Nzongmiri Daro. I will also. Talk now. Talk. Can you say one or two things about this thing when it just happens? So?
Let me say this thing now. What happened is now, how do they call it? Cameroon don't open their gap.
Okay. Young man, what is happening here?
Everything is happening. Everything is happening here. Even for the country now, you don't see everything happening.
So, Oga James, what do you mean by that thing? That very
natural water from God.
from God. What will it be used for?
If you drink this, your sickness don't finish. Even you carry corona.
Hey. So our people for Akwa Ibom, if you get HIV, the gods are angry. He cure corona, he cure typhoid, he cure everything, he cure HIV. They clean the water from God Almighty. He cure everything. Abi, so Akwa Ibom people come around. We have the water from God Almighty. He cure every sickness. Abi. I believe you. Obagi na Somara. Obagi was also for Nigeria die. Obagi, who do you this now? You say? Come fast. Obagi na Brajo. Obagi don sabi better thing, abi. That play where it starts on 500. Now swimming pool. It happen.
live for hotel, you live for we are not understand.
I dey live for swimming pool.
So you put the apple for hotel. Now why you put on?
Na so I see am, my brother.
I don't understand.
I dey pay 2,000 dey swim, but my own I dey pay 70k dey swim.
You dey pay 70 kind of receipt.
Dey swim, I dey tell you, my brother.
How much dey away?
E dey away o.
How many days you don tell am?
Na 5 days, sir.
See the balloon, see the balloon, there.
You tell me
Okay.
how many days?
Hello, sir, where you going?
Leave that man. Nigeria
I
student.
say that one na Nigerian student.
Nigerian student. Great Nigerian student. Great Pakabigi. Great Kosa. Great Eya.
I don't hear you say that
You don't
Nigerian
come again.
student.
You see how much you dey pay the food?
I dey pay for swimming pool 70,000 for that room.
70,000.
Hey, but if I go hotel, I dey pay 2,000 dey swim.
Your room where you see a place to put for your room.
I dey tell you, I get
Hotel
there.
your room.
E dey.
Just abeg, just vex. You dey live for 5 bedroom flat and 2 bedroom flat now.
Na one room.
One room wey you put 70,000.
Na one room. Na one room wey I dey pay 70,000. E dey away.
Don't collect am your money back.
Abi,
Abeg, no vex.
make sure una join me. Make I go grab my money.
Make we dey go.
Now this story you go read in the country.
In the house.
You go see how
Your
you
landlord
go.
dey house.
I know the way in the house. Eh.
70 kind of receipt.
Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This video, one day I'm going to use it against my landlord. As a package, his name is Ayobere.
Your landlord dey, you dey pay your landlord 70 kind of, you still dey sleep for inside house.
I dey tell you,
But wetin don happen na still leak on na wetin happen.
everything don dey leak.
You no go believe am. I say your property don spoil, you never see am.
I say go collect your money back.
You never collect money, all this thing wey you dey do.